Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Walmart affiliate program links for US product recommendations, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with the Walmart affiliate program, first, visit the Walmart affiliate program website. Sign up for an account by providing your details and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once your account is approved, log in to your affiliate dashboard. Navigate to the product search tool on the dashboard. Use the search bar to find specific products you want to recommend. You can filter results by category or type to narrow down your options. Choose the product you want to promote by clicking on it. On the product page, locate the Get Link option. Select the type of link you want, either text or image. For text links, copy the provided HTML code. If you prefer an image link, download the image or copy the HTML code for the image. Make sure to customize the link text if needed. Now, navigate to your content creation platform, such as a blog or social media. Paste the link directly into your content where you want it to appear. If using an image, insert the image and link it to the product URL. Double-check that all links direct to the correct product page. Before publishing, test the links to ensure they work properly. After confirming the links are functional, finalize your content. Publish your content and monitor the performance through your affiliate dashboard. Keep track of your earnings and adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.